Hello everyone. Start off by putting one of the fingers in and then trace out the shape of your hand. Now draw eyes in the front portion of it and then draw a nose and color both of them in using a black marker. In the bottom gap that is present for the separated fingers, make it look like teeth. Then add a tongue to it as well and add little dots around the mouth. Color the ears inside with a little bit of pink and then outline the entire dog. Now begin to color in the rest of the dog as well if you please. We have chosen to use a little light shade of grey and then outline it with a darker shade of black. This is what it should begin to look like. We have also chosen to color the entire dog in a lighter shade of grey. Outline the eyes and the tongue with a shade of red as well to make it look all the more better. Next, we will start off by keeping the middle finger in and then trace out the shape of the hand as such. Once you are done with this, in the top where the middle finger is, add a little top to it. Then add the eyes right underneath it. We will be drawing a giraffe. So once you have drawn the eyes, add little eyelashes and then add the nose and a cute little smile on the tongue outside as well. Now add the ears on the extreme fingers as such, color in the top hair, add polka dots to it and then begin to color it in orange and yellow accordingly. Now finish coloring it in using your marker and then color in the ears in a light shade of pink. Now this is what it should look like. Next, we will start off by tracing out the shape of all 5 fingers of our hand and then connect the base as such. Add little legs to the bottom as such. Now, where the thumb finger was, add a little head to it. Make it look like the hen's head. After this, at the back, connect the base of the fingers. Add little wings to it as well and then begin to color the top in red. Now, color in the beak as well. Fill in the fingers with a red marker. Now, first use one finger as red, then the next one can be blue. We have also used pink and green accordingly. As for the body, you may use a shade of mustard or yellow and then color in the wings in red. Next, you may also color in the legs as well. Next, trace out the shape of your hand as well as the fingers and then after you have done this, reverse the sheet of paper and then connect the base. Now where the thumb is, make multiple lines out of it, add little ears with the back and then add eyes. Add a little tail as well and then color in the base to make it look like the feet. You have drawn an elephant. Now once you are done with this, you may begin to color it in. You can either color it in grey or blue. We have chosen to do it in blue. Next, trace out the shape of your hand while keeping the fingers together as such. Do not close the thumb finger, however, and make it into a head as such. Then, in the bottom, make wings out of it and then outline the shape of the face that you have created. Begin to color it in as well and then outline it in blue. Next, make the swing shape and then afterwards at the bottom connect it as such. In this way, it'll look like a little seal. Add the little whiskers and then add the ball at the edge of the nose. Then add the legs and now begin to color your sea animal in blue. Now, make sure that you don't overline the marker so that some portions are darker than the rest of it. Finally, add the eyes and then color in the eyes as well. Outline your entire drawing and then don't forget to color in the ball. We have chosen to color it in pink and green. Next, keep out 3 of your fingers as such and then make an outline out of it. Connect the other side of it and then make a pig's face out of it. On the other open finger's side, add the nose to it and then add the eyes as well. On the top, you may add little ears to it and then add the rest of the body as well underneath it. Add the hands and the legs and then begin to color it in. We have chosen to color it in pink and then red accordingly. Add ice cream to it as well. Thank you for watching.